The last portion of the student section of the FAFSA is where you will add the colleges you are applying to. You should add all the colleges that you have applied to and plan to apply to. You can add up to 20 colleges at a time, and we'll talk about what to do if you apply to more than 20 later in this video. To search for colleges, you can search by school name or school code. Most people prefer to search by school name, but searching by school code can be easier if you have them available. A school code is a 6-digit number used to identify each college. You can usually find the school code on the college's website, but you can also look it up by using the link to the school code lookup page linked in the description. To search by school name, you must select the state the college is in, but city and name are optional. If you are applying to multiple colleges in the same state, it can be easier to search by state, scroll through the list of colleges, and select them. If you are still struggling to find a college, there are a few things you can try. First, try switching your search results from most relevant to alphabetical. Next, check the college website and double-check the state and city. Try entering them precisely as they appear on the website and search again. If you are searching by name, remove an abbreviation. For example, instead of searching for UMass, search instead for University of Massachusetts. You should search by school code if you still can't find it. To add colleges to your FAFSA, click the green Select button to the right of the college you want to add. You can add multiple colleges from each search. Once you add 20, you can't add any more. To send your FAFSA to more than 20 colleges, you must first submit your FAFSA and then, once it has processed, swap out the colleges. After submitting your FAFSA, you should always come back to check and ensure the colleges listed reflect the colleges you've applied to.